Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Influence, good or bad, be like. 1. Influence is like Wi-Fi. You can connect people to something great or accidentally connect them to chaos. Why? Influences can spread positive or negative ideas quickly. 2. Be the person who influences others to drink water, not the person convincing everyone that soda count as hydration. Why? Good influence encourages healthier choices. 3. Your influence is a microphone. Use it to encourage people not to make everyone ears regret showing up. Why? Words can strongly affect other people. For a good influencer says you can do it. A bad influencer says come on, everybody's doing it. Why? Positive influence supports people instead of pressuring them. 5. Influence is like a seasoning. A little can make life better. Too much can ruin the whole dish. Why? Influence works best when balanced and respect. 6. If your influence makes people kinder, congrats, you're spreading the good stuff. Why? Kindness is a constructive form of influence. 7. Don't use influence to control the room. Use it to make the room better. Why? Leadership is more positive when it helps others. 8. Some people influence others with wisdom. Others influence them with trust me bro. Why? Not every confident opinion is reliable. 9. Good influence gives people wings. Bad influence gives them a heartache. Why? Positive influence inspires while harmful influence can create problems. 10. Before following the crowd, check where the crowd is going. It might be heading toward the snack table or straight into the confusion. Why? Think independently before copying others. 11. Being influential doesn't mean everyone has to agree with you. It means people respect what you have to say. Why? Respect is healthier than demanding agreement. 12. If people become better because of your example, that's influence worth keeping. Why? Your actions can inspire positive change. 13. Bad influence whispers, do I because I said so? Good influencers says, think about it and choose wisely. Why? Good influence respect personal choice. 14. Your attitude is contagious. Fortunately, there's no pharmacy bill of kindness. Why? Positive behavior can encourage others to act positively. 15. Influence without responsibility is like driving a sports car without knowing where the brakes are. Why? Greater influence comes with a greater responsibility. 16. Don't become famous for making people miserable. Become memorable for making people smile. Why? Influence can be used to create a positive environment. 17. If your comrade starts exercising because you inspire them, awesome. If they start running because you said there's a free pizza, that's a different strategy. Why? Influence can motivate people in funny, unexpected ways. 18. Good influence doesn't say be like, it says be the best version of yourself. Why? Healthy influence encourages individuality. 19. Think before you post. Your influence might travel farther than your Wi-Fi signal. Why? Online words and actions can reach many people. 20. At the end of the day, influence is a choice. Lift people up, bring people together, and leave the world a little brighter. Why? The best influence encourages kind, respect, and positive change. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.